Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Gemini Assistant. First, open your device's settings. Look for the Apps or Applications menu, which lists all installed programs. Once you find it, tap to open it. Then, scroll through the list of applications until you find Gemini. Select it to view its app information. After selecting Gemini, you'll see options like Force Stop or Disable. To effectively remove it from active use, tap the Disable button. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you're sure. Confirm your choice. This action prevents Gemini from launching automatically or responding to commands, essentially turning it off. For a more comprehensive change, open your Google Assistant settings. You can usually find this by searching Assistant in your phone's main settings. Within the Assistant settings, look for a section titled Digital Assistants from Google. Here, you can switch your primary assistant back to the standard Google Assistant, ensuring Gemini is not the default. To finalize the removal, it's a good idea to restart your device. This helps ensure all settings are properly updated and applied. After restarting, try invoking your assistant to confirm that Gemini is no longer active. Remember, if you ever wish to use Gemini again, you can easily re-enable it through the same settings we just reviewed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.